Again, hello and welcome to our Farmlife channel. Blessings, blessings, blessings from our Almighty. This channel was created with simple intention sharing. We are in a Vlogs 107. Continue sharing in our Malens Pinagbet Garden Top Grills Upgrading segment 04. Full watch please. These two things can really help to lift up our Farmlife channel. For those who found our channel, please subscribe. You will have a regular notification on our latest video. Like, comment, sharing, simple as that. You will help Farmlife channel tremendously. So, ka-farm, let's do this! Works continues. Let's accompany ka-farm Buddha.
Hello mga ka-farm, ito ng mission natin ngayon. Ang ating balag na lahat talaga total na tanggalin para baguhin, para mas matibay. Check up lahat yung mga poste na marupok na, palitan. So ito mga guys, mga ka-farm, ang ating mission ngayon. Hello mga ka-farm, talagang pinaklas na po natin totally para may set natin ng mas maganda. Ibali at pa naman ito. Madali natin
Clearing for better, best, and great result.
Marami tayong panggatong. Balik. Kawalan.
Looks like total wreck, but it is only those fading climbing veggies as they are only good for 4 months. Need to plant new seeds for all new top grills.
Papalitan po natin lahat to. Lumalim na rin yung lupa. Ito mga ka-farmers, yung ano natin o patola, gagawin natin kung ito binhi, marami tayong binhi. So papakita ko sa inyo yung binhi natin. Yan mga ka-farm.
The eggplants will remain to keep for more bearing fruits till their time have come to replete. Let's keep on eye to Ka-Farm Buddha for huge clearing.
So yan mga ka-farm, hanggang dito po yan, all way. Ayos natin. Malaki-laking trabaho rin po ito mga ka-farmers, pero ayusin lang natin unti-unti. Yan. So yan mga ka-farm, ayusin lang natin yung balag, bagong balag. Siguro lahat ng gulay papunta lahat doon sa shadings, hindi na dito sa planter box, para yung araw diretso na rito. Itong mga talong mabubuhay pa po ito, magdadahon ito ng bago. Tapos magtatanim tayo ng mga bagong seedlings dun sa ating seedlings ng mga bago po. So yan mga ka-farm, yan, umpisa na natin yung balag dito sa area ng grapes. So ang plano rito is ganyan muna. Lagyan ng balag ito. Then tingnan natin kung paano dito sa gitna, kasi may mga tanim dito sa gitna. Tignan natin kung okay lagyan o hindi. Wala na sa gitna.
Upgrading is a must to reflect our sustainable direction as mentioned. The top grills will sustain our Malen's Pinakbet garden in a long span of time. There will be a replanting from time to time due to the lifespan of every plant. Planting, upgrading, this will be in our program. Accompany us throughout the presentation is one of the keys to lift up and boost up our Farmlife channel. We cannot thank you enough for the support. Completion of our top grills will be next. Please watch for it. See you in our next vlog. Keep on farming!